Hi, Paris. Blessed Wednesday to you from my Jamaican home. It's most of all my Jamaican bedroom to wherever you are. I hope you're having a blessed day and your family. I hope everything is in good order. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. And most of all, I'd like it to be good night when this little bedroom tour of mine reaches you. One that nobody had asked me for, but yeah, Kimmy in our bedroom, yeah, in my bedroom, yeah. Say hi. This is Kimmy from the Jamaican and Mocha Bang. She's behind the camera. Kimmy, say hi to my Paris. No word. Okay. So me and I just sit down in a discuss.
Hey guys.
A little business. So I say, you know what? Kimmy, nobody not ask me, but me just feel like me want. Oh no, me really not. And if it not real, me not show no. I just want to give a tour of my little Jamaican pop down bedroom. Well, let me warn you, I'm going to be real lenient and me a sweat. Me that take one AC in here. But we have the little fan going in and I'm just going to be, no say me real. I'm just going to be doing it real, and also I'm going to be helping out all the mean comment peoples that is going to drag me in the comment section. So as I give this as a tour, I'll also drag myself and help you, you know, or you want to drag me. So I'm going to drag myself to the worst. So, Kimmy, you there? This is my right here. You there, panic, Kimmy?
Yeah.
My wardrobe. The original old-time, long-time Jamaican wardrobe. But you know, in Jamaica, we say wardrobe. Oh yes, this is what I sport. And Kimmy, as you go along, if you can focus on a cobweb or two, let them see, because this is a real thing. So up on top of my Jamaican wardrobe, I have two little gift bag with some little cool and one little ear dryer. And I'll, of course, Kimmy, show them those two cobwebs up there. We get them from time to time. And can I tell you something? If you are a woman living with your man and not care how often your cobweb, the cobweb them come back, you're getting bun. Have you ever heard that one? Please comment. You know, sometimes your cobweb all 2-3 times, we say in Jamaica, we say cobweb. You guys say vacuum and stuff. No, we don't have them lovely things, darling. We have to get a bubble dread broom and we have to take up the cobweb them. But a long time when I see the bubble dread, so that's why you see my cobweb them still up there. So if you're getting too much of it, you know you're getting burned. Now, Kimmy, could you take them all the way right back here? And yes, I've got a grill there. I'll tell you about the grill in a different video. I've got a little bedroom sitting chair here and all of that. Could you just bring them over to my long-time bureau? This here is my mother's bureau. She left it for me on the will. Need a little pepping up and need some all of this, but I'm very proud of it. This is what I have for now. And over here, I'm not going to be going in depth. These are my little kula on top of here. Kula for me and what's with Kimmy? Kula for me and Dad. And I have my little fanny thing going on right here. Honey child. Hey, baby girl. Oh, yes. So Kimmy's going to take you around. This is where me and the lovely Dad, this is where we sleep at nights. Dad is not a big person. He's a small little man. But him little bit, but him tallow. And this is where we sleep at night. So this here is a white comforter. And it comes from Fari. I don't know where, but it comes from Fari. This is that. And what is this? Give me electro? I don't know. We ain't got a headboard here. So these two big pillows, we use them to take off the cloth, lick them off our head at night time. Because sometimes we go up, in your sleep, you go up against the wall and your head get licked up. So this is where we sleep. Behind the great camera Dad. Who, right on over here, we got a little makeshift light. Camera Dad sort it out. And of course, Kimmy, you're shooting them up on the wall. These were some like a cheap paint that we bought. We never know the paint them not so good. So we have to go get it paint. Yes, it would do with 2 coats of paint, but we make it the best that we can with a little cheap paint. Jamaican life, we go downtown and we see a like a paint selling, and we buy it and we come and help ourselves. In the long run, it never good. But that's how it goes. Right here, I always, it says today, every day is the best day in my life. It's good to be home. No matter how your room popped down and broke down like for me. It's always good to be home. Where you say, Kimmy? Answer, man. Answer. It's always good to be home.
Yeah, it's always good to be home for sure.
Now, this is a couch. Yeah, it was made by the great camera dad. Shoot them up, Kimmy. And this couch was making for about 9 years now. It's still not finished, you see? Shoemaker never wear a good pair of shoes. But anyhow, we try to use it. A little dirty here, because you know from time to time we sit down and dad hand rests and all sort of like something. So I make sure I'm showing you all of these so you won't have to point them out in the comment section. Really dirty here, but dad, as he goes along, dad always clean it. Oh yes, this is Jer. When he graduated from the famous Kingston College. This is where my son went. He went to Kingston College and he graduated with honors. I don't remember the year of graduation.
2009.
Yes, I realized that his hair is looking real big and I think he's going to have a lot of money, but still not yet, you know. Right over here, you're there on there. Oh, in the couch here, I've got a bag. I just got a little color from my friends. And I just got it recently, so it's still here. I've got me a little handbag here. I have one little like a pop-down one, and these are like the remotes and a camera. We've got a little television right here. Brand, I'm not doing a name brand advertisement, but it's quite clear. It's not smart. Not at all, by no means smart. So we got a little antenna here and there. We stick it up there. And sometimes we try to use it as an Android box to try to get a little smartness on the television and all of that, okay? Now, we're moving right over there. And on the wall there, we've got the great camera girl. That's our natural hair. Camera girl was about 6 right there. And I've got a little plaque there too. Seems like it's a bit decorated with a little cobweb. You see, Kimmy? Yes, this is a real thing, Paris. Yes, this one here is decorated with a little cobweb. Real thing. Yes, Kimmy, thank you. These curtains here were made. Oh, that's camera girl. She was about 6. She too, her frame too has a little cobweb right there going on. Okay? So, these curtains here, they were made by yours truly. And these are not from Home Goods, nor Kohl's, nor Macy's, nor none of these places. This was just some pound material we bought at Pablo's. And yours truly. Yes, I can sew my drapes. Yours truly, we did that. Who? Over here, we got Jer too. Look at him. He's got that beautiful trademark nose and ears. So, this, I think Jer was about 5 years old.
Yeah, like basically.
Yeah, he was like about 5. Right here, we have got a nice little clock. But honestly, that time is not correct because it's not working. Okay?
Just for decoration.
Yeah, it's just for a little decoration. And I like that. Right here, you notice I have my bedroom button a picture in there for me. I've got my 2 little handbags going on right here in the corner here.
Now let them see that.
Oh, I got 2 little handbags going on right there. You see, I don't have a closet with a storage and all of that. Show them up, Kimmy. Show them a few little cobwebs in the corner here. Can you pick it up? I'm trying to help out the trolls in the comment section so they won't have too much problem. Right here, we got a... Oh, my bag. Oh, my God. Right here, we got this fan here. We had it up. This fan was up here from 2008. It's a beautiful fan. It's spinning. It too seems to have a little cobweb going on. This is a real bedroom tour. And Kimmy carried them right back around. Didn't we miss anything? Did we? Did we show them all our bed? We have got these, yes. And these are some little pillars. Oh, you know, we have a little dirt going on in here. But this is not dirty. This is just the nature of it.
It's the color.
It's just the color. So honestly, this one is definitely not dirt. Okay? So, that was it, Kimmy. So, Carol, give them a final. Carry them right back around. Make sure you don't miss a few cobwebs. Yes. Take them right back around. I know they're going to love it. I helped out all my true Paris. Oh, did you show them those cobwebs up there? Right over the closet. These are real things, you see? They happen from time to time. Yes. And this is me, the beautiful me. So, carry them right back around, Kimmy. Right back around. Right back around. Yes, Kim. Yes, KK. Oh, yes. So, as you can see, YouTube family, we ain't got any matching thing going on. This is not a like proper hap class. This is our bedroom, my bedroom at large. I think as we go along, you will see other rooms. We're taking it slow, but you know, we're showing it here maybe from time to time whilst doing our family little thing. Sometimes everybody inside us up. Sometimes everybody inside us up on the bed, yeah. That's where we do our thing sometimes. So I have to make sure I'm showing no. I can't hide it, and this is how it's gonna be. So we don't care if you say we are brown and beige curtain, white comforter, cream sinting. It doesn't matter. Look at this chair, beige. Who cares? This is our bedroom. We like it. And as I said before, if it's not real, I don't know, say no matter which channel I'm on, if it's not real, me not gonna show it. Hope you have liked it. Hope you will embrace it. Remember that when you watch this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to like and thumbs up. I see him thinking me.
Yeah.
Remember to make sure you see that one here. I never normally ask you to share my videos. I want you to share this one on all your socials. Everybody wants to see this pop down bedroom here. You understand? You call this a pop down, drop down Jamaican bedroom tour. We ain't got no king size. Oh, the bed is a king size, but we don't have nothing like them. Something they go on in and rug. Well, I think I had a little piece of rug, but it's somewhere there. I don't know. But I did not clean this and clean for to do the tour. I just did this. This is how my bedroom is on the regular. I hope you have liked it, and I hope you will enjoy with us as a family as we go along on the Jamaican cooking journey family. I don't know who will come first to vibes with us, but at the end of it, I told you, as you have seen in the intro, I told you we're opening our family to people who are, to real people like we. You see how we real do? Who is going to show a cobweb on YouTube? Nobody but Debbie. Yeah, who's going to show a dirty chair arm? Nobody but Debbie. So if you're a real person, know a dirty chair arm, know a cobweb or two, yes girl, don't have matching stuff in your bedroom, you are in my lane, girl. So I want to thank you for the love. Thank you for all of you who have subscribed already and you don't even know what content we're all about. Thank you for reaching out to us and for coming out to us over here. Hope you will like it. If you did, drop me a comment below. And as I said, if you're going to drag me, I've made it so easy for you. Have I left out anything, Kimmy? Have I not showed them anything? Maybe they want to see under my bed. But you know what happened? Under there is still scare clean. I honestly don't keep stuff under my bed. I am not the Jamaican woman that keeps stuff under my bed. If things are under my bed, I'm not going to sleep. Okay? So I think it's even cleaner than the bedroom. Under my bed is even cleaner than anything else. I really don't keep stuff under my bed. And that's about it for this little pop down bedroom tour. Thanks for the love again. Kimmy, you want to say thank you? You want to say bye? What do you want to say? We want to thank the great camera Kimmy today for assisting us on this bedroom tour. I think she did a great job because she picked up all those cobwebs. And we're going to say bye for now. Our very first official video on the Jamaican Cooking Journey family. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Ciao.
Bye, guys.